What's going on, everybody? I'm going to take my Sun Joe AJ801E. I'm going to take the dethatcher attachment off, and I'm going to install the Scarifier attachment. Okay, so one thing that I like with the Sun Joe, everything's pretty straightforward. You do need a 10mm wrench. And the bolt does have a little lock washer. And there's a regular washer on there too. So the other thing, it's pretty simple. It's plug and play. There's a flat side on the side that goes out. There's a round side that has to go into a round shape here, and then there's another, the hexagon shape, that goes on this far side. So it should just be a lift and pull. Put that back. Get this lined up. So it's lined up there. Turn that. Get that lined up. Okay, so that's snugged up, Okay, and I'm going to put it on just to see how it spins. Yeah, so there's a look before I've cleaned up the yard. The lines I was able to cut into the soil, so then when I seed, it can make good seed to soil contact. Okay, so here's how it looks after it's all been cleaned up. You can still see the lines in the soil, so that's a good thing. And I'll go ahead and get ready to seed the yard and give it a little water, and hopefully everything will take off nice. I'm going to be seeding with turf type tall fescue, so hopefully everything will take, and you know, later on this season, well, the end of this season, maybe beginning of the next season, I'll try to do another video to show how everything's looking. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Have a great day.